Happy New Year everyone, and welcome to my Christmas takedown video. I hope you have had a really great start to 2026. My New Year's was fairly quiet. I did see it in this year. Quite often I will just tuck myself up into bed and enjoy the New Year's Day early rather than waiting up to see it through. But I did stay up until midnight this year, and that was nice just to celebrate with some friends. Did you manage to stay up till midnight to see it through? Let me know what you were doing for your celebrations. But it is time. It is time for Christmas to come down. When I'm doing this voiceover, it is coming into the weekend of the first week of January. So I didn't do a huge amount of Christmas decoration this year, just some little bits and pieces, but I'm going to start with a declutter in my box of decorations here. You can see I actually need to do a bit of a clean out because I had some dried oranges and lemons that I had put onto a garland last year, and they completely disintegrated in the storage box here over the past year. And I don't know if that's what they do or whether I didn't dehydrate them enough. Maybe you could let me know if you have any knowledge about those dried fruit garlands. But this box just needed a good wipe out and just taking out all of those crumbs of the orange garland that had disintegrated, and just generally seeing what was in there and what I didn't use this year, what needed to be thrown into the bin and what could be taken up to the second-hand store. My kind of way of putting everything Christmassy away for the year is to just gather it all together and put it onto my kitchen table, and then I can see what I have, maybe what I am happy to pass on again. It gives me an opportunity to go through the box of decorations that are still sitting there that haven't been used, and just package things up that might need to be a little bit more delicately packaged, things that are fragile, things like that. So I'm just going to move around my house, and I won't do a whole lot of talking over this time. I hope this video just is something relaxing for you to watch. We'll just put some decorations away together. If you've got your own decorations that you are wanting to put away, then this might be a good opportunity to do this with me. So I will just play a little bit of music now while I'm putting these onto my kitchen table. This type of storage container here that I have is brilliant for putting Christmas trees into. So it's probably about 2 meters long, and it's obviously a clear plastic container, as you can see. I'm just going to give this a good clear out as well and give it a vacuum. But I keep my Christmas tree in here. I also have a second one in my garage which I store my pool in, and they're just really, really useful storage containers. You can get them at any good Home Depot or Bunnings or Mitre 10, whichever area you're living in, you will be able to find this kind of plastic container. But I think they're just really useful for storing larger items in. next year though, or actually should I say for Christmas 2026, I may invest in a different Christmas tree. I love those Christmas trees that you can get in America and probably the UK as well, but it's the viral Christmas tree that has all of those beautiful built-in, twinkly lights. We just don't seem to be able to get anything like that in New Zealand, but they're so pretty. As you can probably see with my Christmas tree here, it's not very tall. It's probably maximum 2 meters. It might not even be 2 meters tall, but I think, yeah, it just would be nice to invest in something that has the the lights already in the tree, a pre-lit tree, and something that is a little bit taller and more pretty. These garlands here are particularly cute. If you are in New Zealand or Australia, I got them from Kmart, but they are little sets of Father Christmas's pants and undies and hats and things like that. So I thought they were really cute to hang on my staircase. And these green garlands I got from Temu. So this is all I've got to actually pack away. It's not a huge amount. I really, have never had boxes and boxes of Christmas decorations, but I've got this one, fairly large plastic container, so I'm going to try and fit all of this into here, possibly minus the pillows, and hopefully we'll be able to get the lid on it. And then I've got my Christmas tree box. I've also got a box of baubles, so they're already packed away. So just this into this box here, and then that will be pretty much everything packed away for Christmas decorations. left with pretty minimal, really. I've got my Christmas tree in this box down here. This little Christmas tree here, we didn't actually end up using this year, but I love the colour of it, so maybe next year we will use that for something. Obviously, a couple of Christmas cushions here. This in here is all of my Christmas baubles. And then in this one here, I've got just other sort of hanging decorations that I didn't actually use this year. If I don't use them next year, then I think they will probably end up being decluttered, but they don't take up a huge amount of space at the moment. I did find a couple of Christmassy hand towels, so I'll put those away as well. And then this box here has just got all of the decor that I had around the house. So not too much really to have to store. I did pull this out here. Now, these rolls of Christmas paper I have literally had for years, and I've just been using them, trying to use them up, but I think this year is the year that I'm going to declutter them and just get them out of the house, and then next year I can just get some fresh ones. So they've just been clogging up my cupboard in my bedroom, so yeah, I think it would be good to get those decluttered. And I've just started a box over here of some items that I will take up to the second-hand store, and I will just keep adding to that over the next few days. I'm not one for hugely deciding to make all of these New Year's resolutions. I prefer to sort of quietly and discreetly go about those changes until I know that I have actually put, those habits into place before I shout them out to the world. But that's just me personally. But one thing for sure that I will be carrying on with in 2026 is just those ongoing decluttering goals. I've done quite a lot of videos on my channel about decluttering, and it definitely continues to be a goal for me this year to move stuff out of my home that is not, blessing myself or my family, and that continues to be around the idea that you would start decluttering in one area or one zone and just concentrate on that area. Decluttering regularly, so 1 to 5 items a day even can make a huge difference, cumulatively over time. One of the other things is to clear a clutter zone area or a dump zone area for 5 to 10 minutes each day, every day, and to put your dishes away at the end of each evening and clean your sink, and then also to clean one extra surface each day so that you're keeping on top of your cleaning goals. So that is what I will be aiming to just carry on with this year. I really do look forward to celebrating with each other what we can achieve in 2026, and that we can do it together in this community. Have a great week, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.